DLUX
wheels, plastic trim.
Okay. With this, 1 to 3 hours cure time, 3 days before you wash.
Yeah, fair enough.
That's what they recommend. It's going to make the wheels easy to clean.
Oh yeah.
UV protection on unpainted plastics.
Should look great.
Yeah, it should look great. They reckon really hydrophobic.
Did I read that you could use that on plastic, on rubber as well?
Yes, you can. There's a few things on the side of here that says you can use it on plastic, vinyl, rubber, car wheels and brake calipers. So, if it's on the calipers, saying to me it's got a bit of heat resistant built into this thing as well.
It's got that, yeah, so it'll just come straight off.
Yeah. Well, we're going to use this on the Range Rover and then time will tell how good this is.
It really
Okay,
will.
so now we're on to protecting the wheels. Before we do anything, we're just going to go around with the razor and make sure that they're oil and contaminant free, ready for their coating.
Then we're going to use CarPro DLUX. This will protect the plastics, the alloys, wheels, the rubbers, the vinyl, and the calipers as well. And it's going to make the wheels lovely, easy to clean. Loads of protection. Let's get it on.
James, we are now on to DLUX.
Wheels and plastic protection.
Yep, so brake calipers as well, and rubber. So hydrophobic. So we've gone round with the razor first on the wheels, didn't we?
Degrease the wheels, make sure there's nothing left on them.
Yeah. So suede applicator, DLUX onto there, went around the wheels. Always recommend starting at the valve so that you've got that starting point and end point, because you can't really see when you've applied it, can
Once
you?
you get back to the valve, you know where you've been.
Yeah, you know you've done it all. So James went round and buffed it all off. Seemed really quick and easy, and it'd be really, really interesting to see how good it is at repelling brake dust and how easy it is to keep them clean. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit the bell. See you next time.